Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Moen S75005EVC Neo Smart Touchless Voice Control and Power Boost Kitchen Faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Moen S75005EVC Neo Smart Touchless Voice Control and Power Boost Kitchen Faucet. Moen Smart Faucet technology is made to make everyday interactions in the kitchen more convenient. From precise temperature and exact measurement to faucet operation from any one of four controls, Moen has taken the kitchen faucet to the next level. Moen Smart Faucet is the only voice-activated kitchen faucet on the commercial market to offer voice and hands-free activation regardless of the faucet's manual handle position. The Neo faucet features an architectural stature that balances perfectly with a soft, modern style. For customization, a secondary finish handle option is included in the box. Here are some of the specific features: Moen S75005EVC Neo Smart Touchless Voice Control and Power Boost Kitchen Faucet. Control your kitchen faucet with 4 methods. Features 4 unique methods of control that you can mix and match, independent of the handle position: voice, app, hands-free, or manual. Precise water measurements: precisely dispense water at desired temperature up to 120 degrees F, and volume as little as 1 tsp or as much as 15 gallons. Customizable presets: fully customizable presets for exact measurements and exact temperatures will make daily tasks a breeze. Voice-activated capability: combine specific temperature and specific measurement or mix generic commands with specific commands. For example, Alexa, "Hey Google, ask Moen to dispense 1 cup of hot water." Create your own personalized presets in the app to facilitate quick delivery of common tasks. For example, Alexa, "Hey Google, tell Moen to fill the baby bottle." Hands-free convenience: wave sensor positioned at the front of the faucet starts and stops the water flow with a simple hand movement without touching the faucet. App: use the Moen app to provide personalized experiences as well as control the faucet directly. Interactive iOS or Android application provides usage data, customizable settings, and control of all your Moen network products. Requirements for voice control: smartphone, Amazon or Google Smart Speaker, and wireless internet. Here are some additional features that you may want to include in your product description. Chrome finish adds a sleek and stylish touch to your kitchen. Duralock Quick Connect system enables easy installation. ADA compliant, suitable for users with disabilities. 5-year warranty on digital components and limited lifetime warranty on trim ensures long-lasting performance and peace of mind. I can tell you about the power and performance of the Moen S75005EVC Neo Smart Touchless Voice Control and Power Boost Kitchen Faucet. Power Boost: get a powerful blast of water at the touch of a button. Perfect for rinsing dishes or filling large pots quickly. Reflex system: experience smooth operation, effortless movement, and secure docking of the pull-down sprayer. Moen S75005EVC Neo Smart Touchless Voice Control and Power Boost Kitchen Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: convenience and hygiene, precise water control, powerful performance, stylish design, easy installation, durable construction. Cons: high price tag, limited compatibility, battery powered. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to buy the Moen S75005EVC Neo comes down to your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a cutting-edge faucet with all the bells and whistles and you're comfortable with the price tag and potential tech hurdles, then this could be a good option for you. However, if you're on a budget or prefer a simpler faucet, there are plenty of other great options available. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Moen S75005EVC Neo Smart Touchless Voice Control and Power Boost Kitchen Faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.